10 DIY Lattice Plans. This free lattice plan builds a traditional lattice with wood strips crossing each other to make a diamond pattern. This lattice has been set on a front porch and used to hang flower pots on. It's a simple DIY project that's perfect for the beginner. It's also a quick project that you can build from start to finish in less than 2 hours. Here's a DIY lattice that goes against the traditional square or diamond pattern, instead having a modern chevron pattern. This plan builds 2 lattices, each being about 8 feet tall and 36 inches wide. You can use this as a trellis to grow vining plants or flowers, or just use it as a decorative accent inside or outside your home. Lattice is a popular accent to add around a deck to close up the space between the ground and the bottom of your deck while adding a decorative element. This project shows you how to buy pre-made lattice panels and attach them to the bottom of an existing deck. This DIY lattice plan proves that lattice can look just as great indoors as outdoors. In less than an hour, you can use already made lattice panels to create this low-budget headboard. Here's another modern take on lattice, creating another chevron pattern, this time being used to create a privacy screen. The boards were placed close together here to create more privacy. This lattice is built out of pressure-treated lumber, and stain or paint could be added to create a unique look. In this plan, a lattice has been built to be a decorative accent for this safety gate, perfect for keeping your baby or dog where they belong. It's a unique lattice design that you can change the size of to fit any gate or door. Inspired by the Chippendale design style, this project takes a cheap aluminum door and adds lattice at the bottom. This simple project really elevates the door and makes it unique. Just a few boards are needed to create this design that will impress all the neighbors. This free lattice plan also uses a modern chevron pattern to create a trellis that you can use to grow vines or crawling flowers. It uses garden stakes and shims and is put together with nails and a staple gun. It's an easy and quick project that will look great in your yard or garden. Plastic lattice panels are used to build this great-looking pet gate. It's a great gate that is freestanding and built with hinges so it can easily fold up. Using lattice panels makes this a quick build that won't break the bank. Here's another modern take on a lattice, this time focusing mainly on the horizontal slats. The slats are put close together so it can work as a privacy fence to your outdoor area. The lattice strips can be bought, but this plan also shows you how to make your own. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.